You clicked for the coach. This is the 2027 Vegas 26.2. I'm Steve. Let's walk all 27.5 feet of this small Class A RV. What's really neat about the Vegas is how well you can option it. Right now, we are in the standard theater seating. You're gonna have seat belts for 4 in here, and the way we have this particular 26.2 optioned out, you're going to have sleeping in the twin to wall bed. Did I forget to mention it's a twin bed Class A? You're going to have sleeping in the optional over the cab bunk, and if you need an additional sleeping place, sleeping for up to 5, you can option in the sofa, and that makes into a bed. Right now we have the theater seats, and what I love about this, you can sit back, you can kick your feet up even on the drive, because we have our one slide wall out, not real deep. You can kick back, relax as you are heading down the road. And when you want a table, let me show you, this is really neat setup. We store everything in here. We have tables for the theater seats. We have tables for up front. We have tables for everywhere. So you pop this in. There's also one that goes over here. I'm just gonna get out one for now, and you can see maybe this person doesn't want a table. Maybe this person does. What do you wanna do? You wanna have a meal? You wanna get a little work done? You wanna plan out a trip? You can do that right from here. Or maybe you got a big bowl of fiendishly buttered popcorn and you are watching something on the smart TV. WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot on board, so you can stream away, stream to your heart's delight. You're watching TV, this person is doing a little work, maybe posting to all those social media sites. Storage here, cup holders. You have wireless charging over here as well as another cup holder. Storage right up above here in these beautiful cabinets. Brand new look for 2027. This is our crushed silk with our urban clay woodwork. Light switch under here, 110s over there to plug in the laptop or the phones for people on the ride, so you can really make this work for you. Let's head right over to the kitchen. Flip up countertop right here. Love this. We're making some mac and cheese bites. Tom found that. Those look tasty. You could make these in the microwave. There's an air fryer on the microwave, which is really cool. So you have the convection microwave, you have the air fryer. Make your crispy mac and cheese bites. Wash right up here in this large single bowl stainless steel sink. You have a pull down sprayer here. Pop-up outlet right here. You have your GFC eyes, USB-A, USB-C, the 2-burner gas cooktop, and a lot of storage right up above. Love the look of these cabinets in here. So we have a couple of things stored here. You have the shelves and you have more plugs in here. So take the tablets away from the kids, you plug them in, keep them charged for the road trip. You even have a cable connector in there. So lots of storage up above and even down below. Just pull and go. Remotes for the TV, garbage can, lots of storage right up front here. Notice I have plenty of room. I'm standing under that 15,000 BTU AC. I still have a lot of room to move about. We're talking about 82 inches of ceiling height in here. And that's one of the great things about the Vegas in general is just the size, because it's really a very small Class A. So if you're looking for something very similar in size to a Class C, but not quite the big Class A's, this is great because you still have plenty of room in here. 12-volt fridge right here, large closet. You know what, as we're back here, I'm just gonna show you this. Let's just start setting up stuff. Let's start setting up tables. Let's table it up. All right, so we talked about the seating here. What's really cool is both of these seats swivel. I'm just gonna set this up for you. Lickety split. That goes in, and then you lock this down like that, and then you put your tabletop here. And then when you have both seats spun around, or maybe just one, look at that, additional place to eat, additional place to work, whatever you need. So turn these around, make this into just a nice conversation area. So we have all that set up. Lots of room in here too. So we have the other table stored back here. You have the hanging space back there. So really a large closet, lots of drawers down below to store all of your goodies, and an exceptionally large medicine cabinet in here. Look how big that is. Imagine all the lotions and potions and soaps and shampoos and Band-Aids and all the things you need to bring with you on your trip, because until you cut yourself, it's not a camping trip. Am I right? You guys have been there, right? Vent fan in here as well. You have GFCI's tankless hot water on board. And then over into the shower. Put your soap right back there on the shelves. This is on a wand. I'll say I can step up here and kind of give you a good idea of the size. Standing flat foot, 6 foot 1/2 inch. The skylight gives you a lot of headroom. This is mounted up nice and high, so it's really at hair level, so you can get in there and really dig in nice and clean. Pull that and you are good to go. So a nice full large bathroom in your 26-2. Now this is really cool. We're talking storage. I'm just going to show you here. So we have a nice large storage cabinet here. You can close that. That folds. This goes way back, so you can store whatever you need in there. I got my boots in there right now, so I don't put them on the bed. And the little pull-out drawer right there for whatever you need. And as we get back here, we are in, oh, this is nice stuff. We are in twin beds. So you can see, yeah, my head's up a little high. You're like, I'll scooch down. Let me see if you can really fit. So I'm scooched down. This is how I would be. My head would not be propped up, but you can see I can completely fit here. You have the nice 6 cabinets. Nuts here to charge your phone. You put your phone in there, and you can either hook it to the USB-A or the 110s and keep charged. You have a roller blind back here as well. Roller blinds all the way around, and you have, look at this, awning style windows. So you just open those. You can open the other ones and you're going to get a nice cross breeze through there. But again, you have that 15,000 BTU AC unit if the cross breeze just isn't doing it for you. So now you're like, all right, I don't want no twin bed in my RV. I want me some wall to wall bed action. Easy. All right, so check this out. Move that there. Flip this out. I like the cup holders in there. That's pretty cool, right? Nice and fancy. And then you take the cushions, 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Now we are wall to wall space back here for everyone. You have a smart TV back here, even a little remote for your rapid camp. We'll go over that in just a second. You have a vent fan. That AC unit is ducted, so you are going to get a nice cold air dump back here. This is really a great way to travel. And the amazing thing about this particular 26-2 is when you are somewhere you can't put your slide out, maybe you're in a parking lot, you're tailgating, you're at a store, you're at a restaurant, you're at the mall, you don't need to put the slide out to come back here and get some sleep or camp or sit up or cook or make a meal. And if you are tailgating, you can make a meal outside. We're going to step outside, show you how you can hook up a grill and just all the storage out there where you can store all those grilling accessories. First thing I'm going to show off the new for 2027 front cap. That is a great looking Vegas. And as you're looking at the width, you're thinking that looks fairly narrow. It is. We're talking 94 inches. So again, I have an unusually long arm span for my head, but look at this. I can almost reach side to side. So you can see not real wide, again, 27.5 feet long and 11 feet high as we work our way down. Let's talk about our optional paint. This looks fantastic. This is our Black Diamond Edition. Wonderful look with the blacked out mirrors and the blacked out wheels and the blacked out logos and the blacked out handles. Slam latch doors all the way around on your Vegas. Roto cast material in here as well. It's not going to mold. It's not going to mildew. It's not going to get bay stink. You can wash them out, store whatever you need, and slam and go. Right up above, we have our nice Girard armless awning. Using Rapid Camp Plus from the app or the main screen, just hit awning out. Boom, one touch and your awning goes out. And look at that. All kinds of shade for you. Frameless windows out here as well, really cleans up the look. This is going to be an exhaust for your furnace. Right down here we have a very large bay. Maybe these red camping chairs are stored right in here. Again, rotocast all the way around. We have some GFCI outlets out here. Exterior propane connection, grill, portable fire pits are becoming huge. I'm seeing them on sale everywhere. That would be really cool, and you could probably fit just one like this in the storage bay. We'll show you that in just a second there. That's the exhaust for the tankless hot water. Everybody gets hot water. Remember, your propane needs to be on for the tankless hot water. Needs to be on for your furnace and depending on the generator. Yeah, we're going to talk about that in just a second here. So we have an exterior shower here. There's one on the other side. Fresh water fill is here. You want more than the 100 watts of solar. You have a nice port right there where you could plug in a panel and add more. Right down here. Nice little storage bay for secret items. And then the big old bay. Look at this. Pass through. What do you want to store in there? All the goodies for the grill? Whatever you need. Fit it all back. I'm just going to open this side, give Tom more light coming through so you can get a better idea of what you are dealing with and how much you want to store in here. There are lights in here as well. So really, anything goes. Anything you want to bring along that you can fit, you can do that right here. We have a ladder leading you right up to the roof. One piece upper fiberglass rear cap. Then we have a steel bumper. We have an 8,000-pound hitch down below, so do the math before you go. And way down at the bottom, optional stab jacks that you can control through Rapid Cam Plus. As we walk around the other side, don't forget that all of our panels, whether you're talking about the roof or the floor or the sidewall, the rear, that is all going to be vacuum bonded and laminated. We have block foam insulation, we have aluminum cage construction. It's just a nice, solid, durable way to travel inside your 26.2. Here's this generator. This is really cool. So this is going to be a 4,000 watt generator going to run off of propane or gas. You choose. Right here, this little switch, this is how you decide your fuel source here. You can start it. There's a breaker. There's a little pull handle back here as well. So you can start this a number of ways. You can use Rapid Cam Plus for the auto gen start. Dial in how you want it to work for you, from quiet time to volts to temp. That's what's amazing about having this generator in Rapid Cam Plus. You can make it work for however you want to travel. Right here, if the campsite has cable, you can plug in there. 30 amp shore power plug goes right there. 55 gallons of gas as we work our way down. Our city water connection right here. Another exterior shower, hot and cold on this one. This is going to be, that's just your black tank right there. Tank flush is right here. Sewer connections right here, so black and gray. Right over here, your propane, you're gonna fill that right there. We have another bay right here. And again, lights in every bay, those are controlled through Rapid Cam Plus. And I wanna point out, new HD side view cameras. You have them on the left, you have them on the right. Let me show you how these work. Real easy, firing up that 7.3 liter V8. You have one of those cameras on each side. Want to turn right, that's what's to the right of you. Hit the left directional, that's what's to the left of you. And what's really nice about the cameras is the fact that you can pull up whatever you need with the thumb pad on the steering wheel at any point. What do you want as you're driving, which is cool. It'll stay on. So this is our rear camera. Oh, what's to the right of us, what's to the left of us. We want to make a lane change or pull into a camp, whatever. You can turn those on at any point. So a massive 14-inch screen for you. Goes up, goes down, turn it left, turn it right, adjust it however you want. We have Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. How sweet is that? I just got a text from my good friend Ken Garcia. That is going to come up. I am going to look at that later because I guarantee you it's my friend Ken. Even YouTube has standards and we probably won't be able to show that, and Tom will agree. So we have our Google Maps pulled up right here, nice and large, where you hit the button. You know how to use Android Auto. We have the Amazon Music there where you're rocking out to some jams. Then you just go back home. So everything you need in infotainment is right there. Traction control. We have our emergency start button right here, so you can use your house batteries to jumpstart your chassis battery. We have our generator start, 4,000 watt generator, runs off gas, runs off propane, we'll show you that. Cabin lights, those are overhead. USB-A, USB-C, a 12 volt HVAC. You can plug in down here as well, USB-C. And then as we work over here, there's that nice little thumb pad. We have maintenance reminders, all of that in the center. Cruise control, fog lights, our night shade, our heated remote mirrors. What's really nice for the passengers, the flip out dash workstation, that folds out. You have outlets down below, so if you'd like to use it as you're driving to get some work done. Maybe look at the computer, or when you're parked and flipped around at camp, you can use it as an additional table if you don't have this one set up. So a great ride. You clicked for the Coach and you got it. This is the 2027 Vegas 26-2. Now, click on thormotorcoach.com and find the Vegas floor plan made to fit you.